Cryptocurrencies are one of the biggest ways to earn money right now, be it as someone who helps mint cryptocurrencies or someone who flips cryptocurrencies on the market. Want to grab a piece of the pie? Well, that's something we can help you with. In this video, we're going to share with you a new way for you to obtain some free Bitcoin using what could be one of the best Bitcoin mining apps for beginners in 2022. Curious about how you can do it? Stick with us and you're going to find out. This is Daily PayDay, the only channel you'll ever need to visit to get the best tips and tricks on how to make money online and easily. Be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get updates on any new upcoming videos, community posts, and more awesome and profitable content and strategies coming your way. Also, don't forget to leave a like because it helps us out just as much as it'll help you out in the long run. If you've got any questions or concerns, don't be afraid to leave comments in the comments section of the video down below. Today, we're going to show you how to earn some free Bitcoin through special apps. Before we start off with the guide proper, let's actually do some homework and discuss what exactly Bitcoin is for the sake of the uninformed viewers over here. Bitcoin is, in essence, an example of digital currency. It's often touted as a cryptocurrency, which is an online version of cash that you can use to purchase certain products and services on the web. While it didn't have the best start as a currency since it was based on a form of decentralized ledger technology called blockchain, which was relatively new at that time, it's since gone on to become one of the most widely known, used, and accepted cryptocurrencies of our time. Today, Bitcoin is accepted as payment in several establishments and shops all around the world. Moreover, since it's digital, people who have Bitcoins can send some of it your way to your digital wallet, and likewise, you can send Bitcoins to others. At the moment, there are three main ways for someone to obtain Bitcoins. The first and most straightforward way is to buy Bitcoins using your hard-earned real money. The second way is to accept payment for any products and services that you sell in Bitcoins. Lastly, the third way you can earn some Bitcoin is through mining apps. Bitcoins can be created by using a phone or a computer in a process that is known as Bitcoin mining. In this video, we're going to place emphasis and focus on the third method, Bitcoin mining. Before we continue though, we'd like you to leave a like on the video if you're enjoying it so far, and to hit that subscribe button for more updates and money-making strategy videos coming your way. Now let's get back to work. In this video, we're going to share with you the 7 most lucrative Bitcoin mining apps that anyone can find on the internet in 2022. For clarity, and to maybe ease your concerns, we'd like to let you know right now that all of the apps we're covering today are beginner-friendly and free to use. And no, you won't have to become an expert in cryptocurrency in order to start earning some proper money with them. Like we said, all of the apps will be easy to use, and in fact, all you'll need is an internet connection and a device like a mobile phone or a computer, and you should be good to go. We're going to teach you the best ways to make use of these apps and an efficient way to boost your profit-time ratio. So make sure to keep watching until the end of our video so that you'll be able to start earning decent bits of money. Our first website on this list is called Coinbase.com. We're choosing to go to and use this website for 2 purposes. The first reason is that Coinbase is a Bitcoin wallet. That means that you can set Coinbase up and you'll be able to store and eventually collect your hard-earned Bitcoin. You can even store the Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies that you've earned through other methods in this video in your Coinbase wallet. So it's generally a good idea to use this site. The good news is that this site allows you to create an account and a wallet for free. And all you'll need is your name, email address, and password, and some time to fill out the forms and confirm your email address through the verification email. It's imperative that you have access to a wallet because you'll need it to cash your Bitcoins. Keep in mind that it doesn't need to be Coinbase.com specifically. You can set up a Bitcoin wallet on several other websites, but you will have to have one in order to start earning Bitcoins. What's more is, in their site, Coinbase will pay you to learn about the newest cryptocurrencies out there. If you start looking through these courses and start finishing them, you'll be rewarded with cryptocurrency that you can cash out. The best part about all of this is that you can do this even on your phone. Now our next app is called cryptobrowser.site, and it's available for both Android and iOS devices as well as on Windows. One of the positives that we really like about this app is the ability to earn some passive income on this app. The cool thing about this is that you don't even have to be actively or directly involved in this process. This app is essentially a Bitcoin miner. If you get this browser on your mobile phone, you can simply leave it running in the background while you do other stuff. And it will use some of your computer or smartphone's resources to generate some Bitcoin for you automatically. With this, you won't have to do anything like completing any surveys or any mundane or boring tasks. You don't have to watch any ads, and you definitely don't have to complete any micro tasks in order to make some profits. You can just leave your phone, let the app do its thing, and it'll generate Bitcoin for you. Now, this browser is actually pretty similar to Google Chrome. So if you actually use it, you'll notice that it not only looks similar, but it feels like you're using Google, and it uses the same extensions. With that in mind, it's almost like earning money for using Google Chrome. Remember, all you'll have to do to start earning is just to install Crypto Browser's app on your mobile phone or computer. We also recommend that you install it on your computer and replace your current main browser with the Crypto Browser app to maximize your profits. Next up, our third app is FeaturePoints.com. Available on iOS and Android devices, FeaturePoints.com has paid their users a total of $5.8 million since 2012. They've also been active for quite some time and are known for always paying their users their hard-earned cash. Overall, we can say that this is quite a reputable app. On this side though, you'll essentially have to complete some micro tasks to earn points that are redeemable on their site for actual money. You'll even be able to earn some cash back when you shop at one of their partner stores. Now, there are unique features on this app that we wanted to mention, which is actually getting points for just downloading apps. All you need to earn some points is to download certain apps on your phone. Once you've reached a certain threshold with your points, you'll be able to request a payout by redeeming your points. For payment options, they have PayPal available, as well as Amazon gift cards, but what we're here for is a different payment option: Bitcoins. Prepare your Bitcoin wallet when you redeem this because they're going to be sending the Bitcoin directly into your wallet. Lastly, you can even earn a decent commission from any friends or family you refer to start making points on the app. In fact, you earn a 50% commission for every batch of points you referred friends. Next, we're going to talk about our fourth app, Sweatcoin. While this app doesn't let you earn Bitcoin directly, it will allow you to earn their own cryptocurrency, aptly called Sweatcoin. It's available for both iOS and Android devices, and it's an app that essentially pays you to walk. That's it. Just start walking and moving around, and you'll be earning money just like that. They'll pay you for each step. If you're an active person, then this is the app for you. The interesting part is that Sweatcoin alone doesn't really have value, and you aren't able to convert this into US dollars, Bitcoin, or any other flat currency for that matter. It does allow you to purchase certain items from stores that are partnered with Sweatcoin. Don't worry though, Sweatcoin's got over 300 different partners that you can purchase products from, so you'll have a wide range of options to purchase with your Sweatcoin. Now, while you can convert your Sweatcoin into Bitcoin or US dollars directly, you can eventually withdraw your money into US dollars. But the payout threshold for this is relatively high. Moving on to our fifth app, we have Free Bitcoin, which is available on Google Play. It's similar to Feature Points. You essentially complete micro tasks like watching certain videos, completing surveys, and downloading certain apps on your phone and using them. You get points for completing those tasks, which you can then convert into money or Bitcoin. And now we've reached our last two apps for this list. Here are the 6th and 7th apps we've found that can help you earn some free Bitcoin. We're introducing them to you both at once because they're actually quite similar in concept. Our 6th app is called Blockchain Game, and our 7th app is called Alien Run. In essence, they are both play-to-earn games. So basically, you're trading in your time with these games for money. So if you don't have a lot of time to spend on these apps, you might not turn a profit on these so easily. That's essentially it. If you like this video and the information you learned from it, be sure to leave a like to show us some support and help our channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell because we release videos often, and each one of them is sure to help you earn some extra cash on the site to help you pay for that loan, down payment, mortgage, or any other kind of financial need that you have. Have a good day and we'll see you in the next video.